Hello everyone. So today's next question is check if a string contains a binary code of size k. So let's see. Okay, so you want every single item in here to exist in the substring. So 0, 0 exists in 2, 0, 1 exists in 2. I see. So okay, so if there's anything that's missing, then we want to return false. So the idea here is that if you did find it in k, then you just decrement, and that should be extremely fast. That should just be linear time, and you only have 50,000 to work with, and k to the 20, which is calculator. Actually, I can just do k to the 20, so let's say 2 to the power of 20, worst case. That's still 1 million, so that's still very, very, very small. So all we have to do here, I'm gonna set the expected number of items to get be 2 to the power of k. This means that 0, so if it's like k equals 2, 0, 1, 2, 3, and including 4. But I'm gonna do that check on the for loop. So for, let's see, I in range, length of s, I'm gonna increment it by 1, and then I'm gonna subtract k. So that way, if it's saying like, let's say you have 4 items and your k is 2, so let's say you have 4 items and your k equals 2, then you would have to end right here. So you want I to end up right here, and I, this one is going to be length of s, which is 4, plus 1, which is 5, minus 2 is 3. So in the way the range works is that it's exclusive, so it will stop when it's here, which means the last item would be this one. I hope that makes sense. And so then we're gonna get the current binary substring by doing I and the width of the substring. We're gonna convert that into a value, an integer value. In Python, it's really nice because if you do this integer, it expects a binary string and will automatically convert it into an integer. And if that integer is less than or equal to, meaning that it's either 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 from the top right here, the is equal to 2 to the power of k, I also need to keep track of things that I've already visited. So, and v is not in visited, meaning that I haven't seen this number before. Then I first added the value and I would subtract 1 from the value. So effectively, if I had seen every single value, then I should get 0. If there's anything else that I had not seen, then I should have a count of not 0. So that's basically the premise here. So let's see. Yeah, I don't see any issues here at all, so I'm just gonna submit. I don't think I need to check this guy because it's linear time, and assuming that I have my syntaxes right, it should be passing. So yeah, so that would be how you would solve that question for today. Of course, you could also explicitly store, since there's only 2 to the k, you could explicitly store all the binary representations from 0 to k. But I feel like this would just save more memory, I guess. Yeah, I mean, you're still storing the visited, but yeah, it would still be less than 2k. So yeah, that'll be it for today, and yeah, next time.